Building and shipping a mobile app takes months of design, architectural planning, hit and trial, but I have a tool called RapidNative that helps you build and ship mobile apps in a blink that are workable. So let me give you a quick walkthrough of what wonderful things you can ship using tool called RapidNative for mobile apps. Build me an app that takes pics of whatever food I eat and then tracks and gives me the total number of calories. My go-to app. There should be a camera allowing users to take food pics and then giving them the calorie count. Let's go. Voila, I have something to now show the world which I made with just a prompt. That too for mobile apps. The databases have been made for all the nerds out there, and yeah, we see a beautiful screen with the calorie count as I had mentioned in my prompt. Oh, the doodles look so cute, don't they? And yeah, so there's this option where people can scan their food, and then I click on it to take a pic of my food. So there's this random picture so it says margarita pizza slice, and it has 12 grams of protein for all the protein pugloos out there. And yes, the UI UX is so great and it's so quick. No need to maintain any personal dietitian or nutritionist. Just with this app, you can track how many calories your food contains. With this select option here, any particular place which I want to be, say, changed, I can say make this in pink color, since pink is my favorite color. And there we go. Wow, this is the loveliest pink that I have seen. And yeah, there's this tracking where you can see your monthly goals and even the average amount of meals or calories you've consumed. So logging of food gets easy, and say I want someone to help me on with this project, I can quickly invite my friend the rate, and yeah, my friends can also view this and share this project with me. And there's this run on phone option where you can instantly view and for my friends and family to try. And then I'm going to show you, they have the code here which is visible for all the coders out there, and the database is also here. And then comes the plans, which is quite affordable, as the $20 plan is super useful, and you can ship something that you are proud of, that too on mobile. A mobile is something that everybody uses these days, from class 10th till age 80. Once it's ready, testing won't take much time, since we have a lovely option called preview, and you can see how it feels on a real phone. And you have this scanning option, and then the dashboard looks so cool in just a few prompts in just a moment of time. And then on its own, it gave me the name called Calorie Snap. So isn't it cool? Yep. So do try it out and let me know what are your thoughts about it.